Hey friends, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I will show you the comparison between Brustro and Camlin Artist Watercolours. Many of you have asked me about these colors, that which one to buy and which one is best for beginners. So I decided to make a video on this topic. In this video, you will get all your answers. So watch the video till the end, and before that, please do subscribe to my channel. So these are Brustro and Camlin Artist Watercolours, set of 24 tubes. This is Camlin Artist Watercolours having 24 color shade, and each tube is of 5 ml in quantity. And this is Brustro Artist Watercolour containing 24 color tubes, each of 12 ml. I had already made a separate review video on both these colors. You will get the link in the description. Let me show you the size comparison between a 12 ml and a 5 ml tube. Now I am having the color swatches of both these watercolors. You can watch the color swatching of these colors in their separate review video. So this one is of Camlin Artist Watercolours. You can see all the color ranges available in this set. And this one is of Brustro Artist Watercolours. Now you can see the variety of colors available in both the set. Camlin has provided some very similar shades, whereas in Brustro you will find a variety of different shades. In quality wise, both these colors are good, but I find Brustro more bright and vibrant as compared to Camlin. In case of color range, Camlin will disappoint you a little. There are 24 shades. They can provide some other colors like violet. Now I will compare these 4 colors of both the brands. These are orange, crimson, Prussian blue and sap green. I am taking orange color from Camlin, and this is from Brustro. You can see how these colors easily mix with water. Now I am applying the Prussian blue color. This is from Camlin. I love the Prussian blue provided in the Brustro watercolor set. This is crimson color. The crimson in the Camlin color set is a kind of reddish pink. And this is from Brustro, which is very dark and has a reddish tint. And the last one is sap green color. And here is the sap green from Brustro. So here you can see the comparison of same colors from both the brands. The Camlin orange is more darker than the Brustro. And these are the other colors. So according to my experience, Brustro watercolors are very vibrant and it will be a better option if you want to work on beautiful watercolor art pieces, and it is affordable too. Previously it get cracked after drying, which makes it very difficult to carry in the palette. But now Brustro has introduced a new and improved version of these watercolors. You can buy that one. But if you are a beginner and want to start learning watercolors, I will recommend you to buy Camlin Artist Watercolours set of 12 shades only. Do not buy too many shades in the initial stage, as this will prevent you from learning how to make different colors by color mixing. Now I will show you some of my artworks which I had made using these colors. I have created these artworks using Brustro Artist Watercolours. They are my commission works. And here are some of my landscape paintings. You will find the video for all of these in my channel. And I have uploaded these on my Instagram and Facebook page also, so you can check out there. And for these artworks, I have used Camlin Artist Watercolours. So that's all for today. If you have any further questions, ask me in the comment section. Hit the like button and do subscribe to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Both the links are given in the description. Thank you so much for watching.